Mula sa Bacoor, Pampanga, siya ay 12 years old.
Para sa Woman in Love ng 3 Degrees, eto na si Courtney Basa. Basa.
It's the same old story. You care but you don't love me. Though I know it still hurts to hear the truth. Don't expect me to forget you. I love you and I can't hold back the love I want to give to you. I know it isn't easy. I understand you're leaving, but I'm happy just to see you when I can. Do you understand my reasons? I love you and a woman in love loves only one man. Just give me love when you can. If you need me, a woman in love will understand. And I'll give you all that I am, completely. A woman in love needs only one man. Shit, don't be sorry, baby. I guess you think I'm crazy, but to be there when you want me is enough. I'm not a child, I'm a woman. I love you and I'll always be around when you need a woman's love. So you see, it's the same old story. You care, but you don't love me. Though I know it still hurts to hear the truth. I'm no child, I'm a woman. I love you and I'll always be around when you need a woman's love. Just give me love when you can. If you need me, a woman in love will understand. I'll give you all that I am, completely. A woman in love needs only one man.
Thank you, Courtney!
Oh, pinahandog ko yan kay Chingay Riego, anak ni Nene Riego.
Birthday?
Birthday, 50
Happy
years old ka na pala, oy.
Happy birthday po!
Happy Golden Chingay!
Oh,
Ay, ito, Trop Goals! Meron tayong Trop Goals, mga katrops!
Ayan.
Party with the Bay!
Kailan?
Kailan yan? Kailan?
December 16 na to sa Sky Dome sa SM City North EDSA.
Susunod na linggo na yan.
Hindi sinunod yung title ko, yung Simbang Gabay.
Oo nga.
Maganda yun, ha?
December 16
Hindi, tama. Simbang
Gabay.
Gabay.
Test tire daw.
Oo. Maraming
Nagsisimbang
guests.
gabi ka ba, Jose?
Opo.
Aba,
Kailangan po kompleto yun.
oo, ilan siyam ba?
Siyam, kailangan kompleto yun kasi pag di na kompleto, ibig sabihin, napuyat ka.
Meron naman ng ano, di ba? Yung, ano ba yun? Yung anticipated.
Meron na ngayon din ganon.
Kaya na.
Kaya na.
Pagkagaling sa trabaho, diretso simba. Tama.
Mahirap yung anticipated eh. Hindi ka madumi.
Hindi.
Iba yun.
Consti yun, consti.
Constipated. Iba ba yun?
Anticipated yung sa...
Akala ko.
Simbang gabi.
Suppository ka sa...
Oy, dali na. Yung second.
Eto na, ang weekly finalist number 2. Mula naman sa Binangonan, Rizal, 9 years old.
Ha? Narito si Jewel Servitilio para awitin ang 1974 hit ng 3 Degrees na naman. Bugbog na. 3 Degrees eh. When will I see you again?
moves, no?
Kita mo?
The Balikat Dance.
Yes. Iba
Doon sa mga,
talaga. Iba.
doon sa mga nagtatanong ano na nangyari sa 3 degrees, alam niyo na ba?
Hindi.
Sikat na sikat nung araw yung 3 degrees eh. Ang 3 degrees po eh, nag-iba na ang pangalan.
Ha?
Ano na?
Tatlong itlog na ang pangalan nila.
Babae ba yung 3 degrees?
Oo naman.
Babae yan.
Parang ano yun, yung sila left eye. Yung
TLC.
TLC yan.
Yan. Ano left eye?
Left eye pangalan ng isang
Naging
singer.
apo na ni Tiborcio.
Oo. Kaya ano yan, mga backup na mga ega yan eh.
Oh.
3 degrees.
Eh yung ano, balikat. The Balikat Action Jose. You know?
Ayan. Pinakasikat yan nung araw, Supremes.
Yan,
Yan.
Supreme.
Alam ko yan.
Oh,
Diana Ross.
Nagtinda na lang ng sorbetes. Wala na.
Kasi yan.
Nagpalit na rin.
Oo,
Nagpalit.
nagpalit na rin ang ano. Kailangan move on tayo ngayon.
Pambira yung mga grupo na yan, papalit-palit.
Oo, iba-iba na eh.
Ito kayang pangatlo nating finalist. Kasi
Ito,
galing to
speaking
sa
of
Malabon.
three. Okay. Ayan.
Malabon. 11 years old naman siya.
Aba.
Nagpalit na rin.
Hindi,
Hindi,
pa.
11 lang talaga.
Hindi nga pinalitan, yung kanta niya, yung pa rin eh. 1973 hit ni Eddie Gourmet. Si Eddie Gourmet, wala na po. Namayapa na po yan. Hindi, totoo to.
Hindi nagpalit. Hindi
Hindi,
nagpalit.
namayapa na. Asawa ni Steve Lawrence yan.
Ayan, totoo yan.
Okay, si Steve Lawrence, dating singer ng GMA. Na naging shota ni, ano?
Chris Lawrence yun.
Iba ba yun?
Ni Katrina
Si
Halili.
Katrina,
Hindi
si
po,
Katrina.
iba yun, Boss Joey. Chris
Oh.
Lawrence po.
Chris Rob yun?
Opo.
Si Katrina na dating, ano naman, dating artista.
Starstruck.
Artista pa rin. Okay.
Starstruck.
It takes too long to learn to live alone. Ang haba po ng title, mga kaibigan, pero aawitin niya lang ng 10 segundo. Narito po siya.
Bilis, ha?
Here's Gabriel Soldevilla. Gabriel?
I leave the house, I catch the bus and go to work the way I did before. The same routine, most every day, except I guess I see my folks so much more. A year has passed. I thought by now that I could make a new life of my own. But habits are so hard to break. I think of you and I still ache. It takes too long to learn to live alone. I go on dates, but when I do, I always find before the night is through the same old thing. Behind my smile, I'm sitting there comparing him to you. And in the end, it's always you. I feel it even more when I get home. I thought that I was free of you. Oh, but I was wrong. I never knew it takes too long to learn to
Ay, naku.
Thank you.
Naiiyak si Alan yan sa mga oras na to.
Thank you for that shot.
Paborito
Bakit?
niya yan.
Bakit?
To have a big
Oh,
ilong.
totoo
Ay,
yan.
ay,
A big?
Ilong.
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 Have a big ilong.
Okay. Si Gabriel. Ayan o, kapangalan ni Gabi. Okay.
Maraming salamat. Malalaman natin mamaya kung sino sa kanila ang mananalo.